The week is a busy week and a Fed and a BOJ dominated or a central bank dominated week. But the case for the chat for today's conversation is, where does institutional interest lie per se? And is there any derivative or idea that he derives out of the kind of flows that he's seeing in addition to the charts that he sees? Thematic picks amongst the uncertain markets, if it is a good time to do those, and will gold and silver outshine equities in the near term? Viewers would remember that the last time that Gautam was on air, he had spoken about gold in a very favorable fashion. Gautam, great having you. Thanks so much for joining in. And that was an outstanding call, Gautam. I would love to understand from you. We don't start equity conversations with gold, I know, but it was just such a great call, and the fact that it seems to be a big favorable move in a risk-off environment. How do you see the charts there?
Good morning, Neeraj. Well, I guess such are the times. You know, the kind of world that we live in, the kind of geopolitical risks that we are living with every passing day. I think it's always important to keep a tab on gold and silver. And I've been a big bull for, I think, almost 3 or 4 years now, because it looks like a structural uptrend. Then it got into a sort of a range for the last 15 months. But every time there has been a dip on gold towards 1800, it's been such a wonderful buying opportunity. And anything that happens in the world, you know, gold is the first to move up. And once again, given all the geopolitical developments, we are at 2015, and probably this time we will finally break out on the upside past 2070, and my bigger target stays quite high at 2300, 2400. So I'm quite confident that between now and probably the next 6 months, gold and silver could actually beat equity market returns, because I don't see anything significant happening, at least on the indices. There will be pockets in the equity markets that will stand out, but gold and silver clearly is an asset class that you cannot ignore over the next 3 to 6 months.